Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach about the Cursor AI, which is the AI code editor. Whatever programming code you will be able to solve your problem, and what is the code you want to generate, all the things you can done by the Cursor AI. This is a very powerful AI tool for the programmers. Okay, so if you want to download, you have to go to the pricing. Okay, so you have to click on it here. This is not a, this is free. There is a free option is there. You at the right away, you don't buy that one premium one. Here you can go along with the free one. Here this individually free plan is there. After you satisfied, you will be able to buy a premium one. You don't right away, you don't buy a premium package. Okay, so you have to click download and download it. Okay, after download that, you can see this icon, so you double click on it. I've already installed. You double click and install them. So after that, what you're going to, after install, you can open up your cursor. This is a cursor app. Click on it. It will open look like this way. Yeah, I don't need to sign up with skip one. It asks import from VS Code or skip. So if you are import from VS Code, it is importing this all the things are VS Code. So if you skip continue and continue, this also fine. It's continue. It is open up the cursor here. So this is the separate editor. So there, you open it. Your editor is open. You will be able to see the open this editor. Now you can here, if you want, if you have a project, you will be open up. Okay, if you have a project, you can open up. Okay, so here whatever you having a project, you can open up over here this project. Okay, so yeah, this one whatever project you can open up over here. So I don't want, click on it, sub projects. Okay, so that this project I know, this that project. I open up the project. So at the moment I don't have a project, so you can open up the project. Okay, open up the project and you can ask the doubts. Okay, so what you're going to do is, now here I'm going to create a something index dot html like that. Okay, so you have to generate a code. So click on here, the same thing like a this cursor AI like a VS Code editor. Okay, the same thing, like the same functionality is there. So you can we can install the extension and everything look like a VS Code editor. How to get the help from this code? You can see on your left side, this is your right side, there is code stick. Click on it. This is a chat box. How to ask the chat? You can't ask directly. You never get the output. You have to put the @ symbol, select code. Here you can ask the code. So I'm going to ask the Java hello world print hello world. Java print hello world. Step print hello world program. Now click on it. Here you can see here. Here this is the codes are generated. So now you can see the execute. Whereas the code you cannot see, because if you click on it here, the code is seeing here on your window, main window. Here you can see the codes. Okay, so this, if you will be able to see the code. So how these codes are working, this instruction you are given. Perfect. I have created the simple hello world Java for you. Here it's everything is a class declaration. What is a class declaration and what is the main method, the static, these are the main method. Everything it is explained in detail. Print statement, which is a print statement, here you can, that's why this tool is very famous. Okay, this is the very famous tool, AI tool in the code version. This, okay, it's very simple. The free version also you can get lot of helpful. So again I'm going to ask another question. Print Java at input 2 numbers and calculate the total. Click on it. Now you can see everything is detailed explained. It's calculated and display this output. It will be shown how the output is coming. So you via the code you can see here this is the code. Click on it. Here this is the codes. Okay, it's using the scanner class for generating the input. Okay, here input two numbers and calculate the total mean. Okay, input two numbers and accept two numbers and pass into the total. Total has been calculated. Okay, this is how we have to simply generate the code snippet as cursor AI. Okay, you have to use this for cursor.ai. You can get a lot of benefits of this. Okay, very simple tool. Okay, you can implement this tool via your VS Code editor as well. Otherwise, you can download the cursor AI. Okay, so you have to download the cursor AI. There is a separate editor also open. Here also you can write the codes as well. Thank you for watching.